Hello students, today is Monday, April the 3rd, 2017. Here are your TOPS announcements. Yes, I got a haircut. No, I didn't have lice. Prom money is due on Friday. If we don't have enough people send in money, then we're not going to have prom. It looks like we're not going to have prom, so get that money in. I've sent out multiple things about where to send that and how to do it and all that, so good luck. EOC testing is coming soon. If you don't know where to be, what test to take, where to be there, and all that, remember, if you are in English 1, English 2, English 3, you are taking a test. If you're in U.S. history, you're taking a test. Then that's U.S. history, not world history. Find out which one you're in. I'm sure your teacher will tell you. If you're in biology and chemistry, you're taking a test. If you're in math 1B, 2B, 3B, you're taking a test. You need to go to tops.education/testing and find out when and where you need to be. Some of you have the ACT coming up on Saturday, April the 8th. Good luck with that. Remember to bring a calculator. Look at the calculator list and make sure you have an approved calculator. Graduation's coming up soon. If you'd like to attend graduation, go to tops.education/graduation. If you're a senior, you should have been in touch with Miss Whedon about that. If you have not, then we will be calling you today. Now, I want to explain something about the difference between Q3 and Q4 grades in Canvas. I'm going to put up a picture so I can explain. So as you can see here with the arrow, if you click that, Q3 is the first 9 weeks and that grading period's already passed. That's the grades that were put into PowerSchool. Q4 is the current 9 weeks and grading period, and you need to pay attention to those grades. The grades I'm sending out to people who failed classes in Q3 are coming directly from Canvas in Q4. So you can toggle that back and forth. If you click on grades, you can see how that works. Thought for the day: are you spending your time wisely? After talking to people who have failed classes multiple times over the past few weeks, and then submitting a report this morning to those people who failed classes, letting them know how they're doing, one thing has become pretty clear to me. People that are failing classes are continuing to avoid doing work in the classes that they were failing, which caused them to fail in the first place. They'll have all of their work in except for that one class where they failed, and it doesn't make sense to me. Why wouldn't you spend the most time in that class? Why wouldn't you put the most attention, most effort, and all of that? It doesn't make sense to me. So make sure you're spending your time wisely. You shouldn't fail any classes. It's not too late. You should not give up. You should fight, and do what you can to pass every single class and make the best grade possible. But avoiding your problems will not make them go away. They'll only make them worse. And that's another thing I've seen, is that a lot of students that are failing classes are not acting until it's too late or almost too late, or until they feel like their back's against the wall. And I realize this is a typical biological behavior that all animals exhibit, that they don't show their teeth until they're backed into a corner. But you are a human being who is capable of rational thought, and you need to act way before things become a big problem. It's a good life lesson because it will affect you financially. It will affect you in the work world. It will affect you in college. It will affect you in relationships. Act before problems become big. That's why people say, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Have a great day.